Welcome to ScreenShorts, the channel that make tech easy with quick and simple tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to change your age on TikTok. So there is no way by which you can directly change your date of birth on TikTok, but I have a way. By using that you can change your date of birth on TikTok. So let's start the process. First of all, open your TikTok app. Now you will see your profile icon at the right bottom. Tap on your profile icon and you will see the three lines at the right top. Tap on these lines. Now tap on the last option, settings and privacy. Now scroll it down and tap on the option report a problem. Now again tap on the option account and profile. Now tap on the second last option editing profile and tap on the last option other. Now again tap on the option need more help. Now here write your issue like I am writing. Also mention your previous date of birth like I mentioned, and also write your new date of birth which you want on your TikTok profile. So read this message carefully and write the same. After writing, tap on the option submit. Now the TikTok will change your date of birth by itself. So by this way you can change your date of birth on TikTok. Join the ScreenShorts squad and never miss out on easy to follow tech tutorial. Again, hit the subscribe button.